Namaste, I'm Ruhi Aluwalia, your coach and tarot reader. In today's video, I'm going to talk to you about the potential for the next week, the energy of the next week in four main domains: health, career, relationship, and finances. Towards the end of the video, I'm going to answer to one of your personal questions. So think about that question. Stay tuned with me till the end to know the answer. To begin with, we've got this card. This card tells us that this is the week where you're going to harmonize things. You're going to put things in order. You may have to do the paperwork. You may have to align things in your life. You may have to align things in terms of communication. So harmonizing is the main energy of the week. So this energy you are going to find in your professional, financial life, and also in your relationships and health. As far as the professional life is concerned, we've got these two cards. These two cards indicate me that you may have a sense of questioning this week. You may be in doubts and flus. You may have to, you will have to introspect because you're going to have those questions in your mind. But the cards indicate me that you have to ask the right kind of question. To ask the right kind of question, make sure that your energy is aligned this week so that you can have the right kind of answers. If you need to harmonize and balance your energy, do book an appointment with me online or one-on-one for Reiki. The link is given in the description box below. As far as the financial life is concerned, we've got these two cards. Now, these two cards suggest us that in spite of all the efforts that you're going to put to attract abundance in your life, material abundance, for some reason you could have some blockages this week. But don't be disheartened. Just focus on your alignment and focus on putting in the efforts, and then let go of the result, because later on you'll reap the benefits. You may not reap the benefits as soon as you put in the efforts. As far as relationships are concerned, we've got these two cards. Now, these two cards tell us that this week you can have conflicts, you can have differences of opinion, and this is not the week to react to relationships. This is the week to take control of your power. You see, this card indicates power. Now, what does that mean? Power does not mean oppressing the other person. Power means taking in charge of one's emotions and not reacting. Not reacting to situation can be one of the biggest assets that you can have. So make sure that you don't unnecessarily involve yourself into conflicts in relationships this week. As far as the health is concerned, we've got these two cards. Now, these two cards tell us that you have to ask questions this week because you need to make changes this week in terms of your health, in terms of your physical, mental, emotional health. So do check your diet, do check your exercise routine, do check your mental diet. What are you consuming? What are the thoughts that are entering in your mind? And then start making changes according to the information that you get. As far as the message of the week is concerned, we've got this beautiful card that tells us that we are protected this week. All the beautiful guiding light of this universe is guiding us in case if we are well aligned. So think about your alignment and have faith that the light, the universe, or your angels or guides or whosoever you believe in is really guiding you for your well-being, for your holistic well-being. Now I'm going to answer to your personal question. So keep thinking about that question and let's see what is tarot guiding us. So I'll pull three cards, one for the past, present, and the future. In the past, this situation actually gave you a heartbreak. Now, heartbreak does not mean deceptions in love life. Heartbreak means that you were kind of facing some deception. You were disappointed. So this situation brought disappointment to you. As of now, you are in a good state and you're really getting, reaping benefits out of this situation. And in the future, you are going to continue to reap benefits out of this situation, So keep working on your alignment. Now, these are the general potentials. In case if you're interested to know about your life, what decisions you have to take, do take an appointment with me for tarot or mediumship online or one-on-one. The link is given in the description box below. If you like this video, please hit on the like button. Share this video with at least 3 people that you know to guide, inspire others, and also subscribe to my YouTube channel to continue to receive further notifications. Until then, I wish you a beautiful week and lots of love.